trader. I'm Ayush. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Share Market. Today we will discuss our trading setup, as it is very important to find out our mistake and improve them in future to become a good and successful trader. Before we going to start our today's topic discussion, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any update. So let's back to our today's topic. So first we will discuss Nifty 50. So in Nifty 50 one day chart, you can see that the Nifty 50 was in up movement and closing was also all-time high. So we will analysis in depth in 5-minute chart. So basically it had shown very good rally, and then it came for retracement, and then again rally. So now we will discuss our option setup. So first we will analysis call option. Market was in movement. So in this we can clearly see that in first candle itself, at 9:15 it had generated buy signal, but signal in this candle. This candle was shoes candle, and this candle was in red candle. So generally I recommend that not to take entry when SL was very high. But here we can see that after a long time, so after spending some time, it had broken here in this candle, the high of our first candle, and then this was a follow. This was some retracement, and then in third candle, in this candle had given us entry. So we had taken entry at this level. That means we had taken entry at 101, and our SL was 9. So here our SL was about 5 point. So basically I say you that book 1:1 or 1:2. So second candle itself we got 1:1, and in after some time we got here 1:2. So today we got in first candle, in first entry 1:2. Means we book around 11 point in our setup. After 1 PM then after 1 PM it had given again buy signal at this level, and this was our first candle high, and then had broken in this candle, that is in fourth candle, and then we didn't see any retracement. So we will wait where the retracement will start. So after going this level, it had started retracement. So we will not entry in follow through candle. That means this candle, because our follow through candle was this. Because from here market has retraced. So we will take entry. The market will cross this candle. Yes. And market will cross the high of this candle. That means retracement level, follow through candle. This one was for follow through candle. So today you can see that after this candle had touched, broken the high of follow through candle. So we had taken entry in this, and you can clearly see that again given us this one was our entry. So this one was our entry candle. So the low of entry candle was sorry, this candle was our follow through candle, so we will count its SL. So our entry was at 95.4 and there is 95 and 95.5 and our SL was 87. So basically 8 point, and you can count from here that 95.4 and our high was 170. So it had given us 816. It again given us today approximately 1:2. So today we booked around 16 point plus 11 point. So today we booked around 7 point in our option buying our today's setup. So basically I want to say that always stay on one trade setup, whatever you want, and it will surely give you reward. So after 2 days, today we got profit of 27 point and previous 4 plus 4. So now we are in 5 point profit in one lot of Nifty. Yes, approximately we are in profit of 2.5 thousand in 2500 rupees profit in one lot of Nifty, and we will see 13,500 put option that whether today we got any entry or not. So this one is our chart. So in this also today we got entry. You can see this that in morning it has not given any thread. This level had given us that you can see clearly. In this candle it had in this candle it had broken the high of our first candle, and this was the follow through candle because it closed below the high of first candle, and then in this candle we got entry and our SL was this, and we got here 1 minute, I'll tell you exactly. So this one was our follow through candle. So this was approximately 8 point SL, and we got here in we got entry at 05 and our high is 119. So 8 point and we got here entry at this. So approximately today we got here 1:1 or 1:2, approximately 1:2 got here. So again in this we got 16 point. So today we booked 27 plus 16 point means 3 and 40 point we got here today. Yes sir. So today we made approximately 1000 rupees from lot. So this is all about our trading setup, and now I will show you my equity calls which I had given in my Telegram group. So today we bought SBI at 255 and our SL was up only 6 point, and we got here 58. So approximately today we got here 1:6, and after that we have sorted Bata India at 1564 and got it put here 1450. So 14 point in Bata India, and then we got Titan at 1417 M25, and our vessel was 1413, and we booked at 5 point. So again, very good call, and sorted voltas at 824, and our vessel was approximately 3 point, and we got here 6 point. So again in 1:2. So this is all about today's analysis, and guys, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any update. And if you want to join my YouTube channel, the Telegram channel, I will share my YouTube channel link so you never miss any update. So thank you guys. This is all about my today's analysis. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.